For centuries, access to medical expertise has depended on one thing: access to experts, the right doctor, the right specialist, the right hospital. But what happens when artificial intelligence can bring specialist level medical knowledge to millions of people instantly? The promise of AI in healthcare is no longer limited to helping doctors work faster. The bigger ambition is far more transformative, making high quality medical expertise more accessible, affordable, and available to everyone. But that also raises a much bigger question. Can artificial intelligence become the next great healthcare platform? And can technology solve one of the medicine's oldest problems, which is unequal access to expertise? Welcome to the latest episode of Perspectives. Today we are talking how AI, artificial intelligence, has entered in the medical, or you can say in the healthcare sector. Recently, Microsoft AI CEO Mustafa Suleyman described medicine as one of the biggest opportunities for artificial intelligence, arguing that AI could help bring advanced medical expertise to people who may not otherwise have access to top-tier healthcare. The idea is ambitious. Instead of intelligence being concentrated among a limited number of specialist, AI systems could potentially provide medical guidance, support diagnosis, analyze complex information, and assist healthcare professionals at a global scale. But healthcare is not just another technology market. Medicine involves human lives, uncertainty, trust, and decisions where accuracy matters. So the real conversation is not simply whether AI can enter healthcare. It is whether AI can become a reliable partner in one of the most sensitive areas of human life. Healthcare generates some of the most complex forms of information in the world. Medical histories, imaging scans, research papers, lab reports, genetic information. For doctors, connecting all these signals requires years of training and experience. AI systems are now being developed to process enormous amounts of medical information, helping identify patterns that may be difficult to detect manually. One of the biggest challenges in healthcare is not the absence of medical knowledge. It is the uneven distribution of that knowledge. A world-class specialist may exist in one city, while millions of people elsewhere may struggle to access basic medical guidance. This is where AI could create a fundamental shift. A digital healthcare assistant available anytime could potentially help people understand symptoms, navigate medical information, prepare questions for doctors, and access preliminary guidance. For countries with large populations and uneven healthcare infrastructure, this possibility is especially significant. For India, this conversation carries enormous importance. The country has one of the world's largest healthcare demands, with millions of patients requiring affordable and accessible medical services. At the same time, India is building a rapidly expanding digital ecosystem, from digital payments to digital identity and healthcare platforms. Healthcare is different from most industries because mistakes have consequences. An incorrect entertainment recommendation may be inconvenient. An incorrect medical decision can be extremely dangerous. Just as cloud computing became the foundation behind modern digital services, AI could become a new layer of healthcare infrastructure. The biggest promise of AI in medicine is not that machines will replace human doctors. It is that medical intelligence could become less limited by geography, availability, and cost. That's all for today's Perspectives. I'm your host Ankita Sachdeva. Keep watching The Mainstream for more such updates.